14 ways to effortlessly lose weight in a few days. The internet is home to countless tips on how to slim down and get fit, but let's be real here, most of them are easier said than done. That's why we're bringing you a list of the most effective yet effortless things you can do to shed those unwanted pounds. So let's get to it! Stop counting calories. Stop torturing yourself with numbers and start paying more attention to the quality of your food. A 20-year study by the Department of Nutrition at the Harvard School of Public Health showed that processed foods and sugary drinks cause the biggest weight gain. Instead of obsessing over how many calories are in your food, think more about how healthy it is. Remember, high quality means minimally processed, so go for foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and so on. Any sugary beverages, fried foods, and high glycemic products like potatoes are considered low quality and should be avoided. Fill up half your plate with vegetables. Speaking of high-quality unprocessed foods, make it a daily habit to put a lot of fruits and vegetables on your plate. They're great sources of fiber, water, and useful nutrients your body needs. The 2010 Dietary Guidelines for Americans stated that if you fill half your plate with vegetables and fruits, your health improves significantly. The same goes for grocery shopping. If half of your cart is filled with high-quality products, then you're on the right track. Eat what you want and when you want. This probably sounds like music to your ears if you're on a diet right now. The worst thing about dieting is the restrictions, especially when we have to give up our favorite foods. However, it's actually proven that depriving yourself of something only makes you want it more. So, of course, when we give in to our temptations, we're only human after all, we go big or go home. Literally big. We eat so much of our guilty pleasures that we end up gaining weight. And then you punish yourself and avoid the foods. Then you give in to temptation again, and it's just a vicious cycle. To break the cycle and stop this weight gain, eat what you want and enjoy every bite with a clear conscience. No more prohibitions, but everything in moderation, of course. Use the rule of 2 bites. Everything in moderation. Yep, that's one of those easier said than done things we mentioned earlier, right? Well, if you struggle to control yourself when you're eating your favorite junk food, then just trick yourself into eating less with a simple method called the rule of 2 bites. It goes like this. Take 1 bite of your food, drink a whole glass of water, and then bite once more. This will make you full a lot quicker, so you'll eat much less. Magic! Start your day with protein. If you have an insatiable appetite and always seem to feel hungry, then you need to make protein your best friend. Protein reduces your body's levels of ghrelin, aka the hunger hormone. That's why a protein-rich breakfast of eggs, chicken breast, or Greek yogurt will hold you off until lunch better than a breakfast full of carbs. Plus, protein is great for you in tons of other ways. It stabilizes blood sugar levels, supports muscle and bone health, boosts your energy levels, and helps your body absorb essential nutrients. It also improves your ability to learn and concentrate. And what more could you need in the morning? Walk for 2 minutes every hour. If your job requires you to sit a lot, make it a rule to get up and walk around for a minute or 2 every hour. Experts at the University of Utah Health state that it can help offset the health hazards that come with sitting for long periods of time. And it's not that hard to do. Go grab yourself a cup of water, volunteer to bring your coworkers a cup of coffee, get the papers out of the printer, step outside for some fresh air. The excuses to get up are limitless. This will help you stay active for the entire day and keep your mind sharp. Never eat snacks straight from the bag. We love the convenience of having our snacks in a nice prepackaged form, but it's no secret that we are all capable of downing that whole bag of chips, cookies, or candy in one sitting. To avoid that, put some of the contents on a plate or into smaller bags. This will trick your brain into eating less because you'll stop once the plate or smaller bag is empty. Plus, it's always great to open up a kitchen cupboard and find a bag of chips you almost forgot about. Again, no strict limitations, just a bit smaller portions. Use the rule of 10 minutes. Anytime you feel like eating something unhealthy, give yourself 10 minutes to think about it. If after those 10 minutes you still feel like it's a good idea, go for it. But this rule usually works because it gives you a chance to realize that the junk food isn't worth it. You can also apply this to anything else in your life. For example, if you want to go to bed earlier, go 10 minutes before you originally planned. If you want to do yoga but can't find the time, start with 10 minutes a day. It's that easy. Go for big meals. Another bit of music to the ears. Big meals actually help your diet. A professor at Penn State conducted a study and came to this simple conclusion. Large portions of food containing a lot of water are a great way to avoid overeating. For example, a big bowl of salad will fill your stomach much faster than a handful of nuts. It'll also make you feel full longer. Foods with the highest water content include watermelons, strawberries, cucumbers, pineapples, celery, oranges, and green peppers. Reduce your daily sugar intake to 6 teaspoons. If you've got a sweet tooth but you want to get fit, you really should limit the amount of sugar you're consuming on the daily. Other than obviously being bad for your teeth, too much sugar in your diet also increases your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It leads to obesity as well, especially if someone drinks a lot of sugary soda. Health experts recommend women consume no more than 6 teaspoons of sugar a day, and men limit themselves to 9. You'll be amazed by what simply cutting down on sugar will do for your health. Be selfish. This means thinking that you are the most important person. It's totally normal and even necessary. Dietitian Ann Fletcher recommends putting yourself first and caring about yourself and your own body. You have the power to be the person you want to be both inside and out. If you want to slim down, don't let anybody stand in your way. Move your desk closer to the window. Scientists conducted an interesting study examining the impact of daylight exposure on the health of office workers. Some of the participants were working in windowless environments, while others worked in rooms with windows. It turns out that sun exposure has a positive influence on your overall well-being, the quality of your sleep, and your productivity. So if you want to feel good, sleep better, and please your boss, ask for a desk near the window and let the sun do all the work for you. Drink warm beverages. Warm beverages decrease the amount of metabolic waste in your body, which actually slows down the aging process. Get into the habit of drinking a cup of hot tea or a glass of warm water 30 minutes before every meal. It'll speed up your digestion, increase your metabolism, and improve blood circulation. All of this helps you shed extra pounds. You can also add lemon to the mix. It helps break down body fat and control cravings throughout the day. Don't brush your teeth after eating. This doesn't mean you should stop brushing your teeth after food for good. Specialists just don't recommend doing it right after eating. Wait for at least 30 minutes, and then go for it. You see, the acid in food attacks the teeth, eroding enamel and the layer below it. Brushing your teeth only exacerbates this by pushing the acid deeper into the enamel. A 30-minute break between provides the needed protection for your teeth, especially when you drank or ate something sour. Do you have any tips of your own on how to stay fit? Leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.